Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. KHADC felicitates the traditional authorities Sorongkham constituency. West China Hills District Sports observes National Youth Day celebration with an awareness program. Former Chief Executive Member of KHADC, Pinchangan NCM, criticizes state government for not releasing the Central Special Assistance Fund. And Meghalaya Congress opposition criticizes state government for lackadaisical attitude to impress on the Centre for Implementation of ILP in the state. And now the news in detail. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today felicitated the traditional authorities of Sorongkham constituency as a mark of appreciation for their dedicated work towards the upliftment of the society and the yeoman service that they have rendered during the COVID-19 pandemic. The chairman of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pin Yait Singh's aim, also donated an ambulance to the Sorongkham FKJJP circle to be used by the people of Sorongkham constituency. Earlier, Pin Yait Singh's aim handed over the mementos to the different traditional head of the Sorongkham constituency. CM also, along with the members of KHADC and traditional heads, flagged off the ambulance on the occasion. Speaking as the chief guest, CM expresses appreciation to all the traditional heads for their dedicated service towards the society. He said, the ambulance to be taken care of by the FKJJP Sorongkham circle will immensely help the people belonging to the economical weaker section of the society.
Kiba kongsan kiba ide bat kaca gendro. So buram bat so kemen. Ban penpau ni kapor kerpang nak kamenta ka dorbar Shillong Sorongkham. I sodar Shillong iba Isra Dhar. I secretary jong ka Shillong ba Marius Wankar. Ka executive committee jong ka dorbar Pelun. Ringkat irang ba kentoj hangne iba badu donbor kharmujai ka komiti kentoj ya ka ba kala sya sobha yangi ban penlong ya kene ka cingelang ha kene ka sngai kumbala penbai bat kumcu ban pendan kam ya kene ka caka na kamenta ban penyat bai ya renti ya kene ka program.
Speaking on the occasion, the Deputy Tribal Chief of Hima Khairam, Paim Haban Pan Singh's aim appreciated the role played by the traditional heads of Hima Khairam, and he said,
Bakani ka jingno senyang kajong imahap penyat Singh's aim dakani ka kali kamtam ya pi ka seng FKJJP bapin yo ban trei hop kat kum ka jing dawa jong pi ka jing pan jong pi na I ya kene ka kali ambulans pen trei hop penyat hop ya kene ka kali kabakan aga jing syakri ya iwei iba an ong no ki badon kam akapor kaba ki kendu ki jing pe ngam don sibun ki kentian ban kran nrei hang ne mantang don ban ong tang ba ngilong kumni mantaru ngibat iki kam sordar ngibat iki kam nomi keman ngibat iki kam hima ngibat iki kam juga seng kai borok kolong ka ba ublai hi di ba ai benta oi nalor ki ba ki bajiet ndrei klem ka jingbu benta klem ka jing ai benta jung blai ngin umla ban long kumbangi long.
The founding president of FKJJP, Sounder S. Kaji, narrated the work done by his organization in the preservation and protection of the Hinyo tribe.
Ban pinyo ban ailam yang kentian mengenyo ban ya keren. Akti kepor kejungi mjio itu khana tak ambulans mobile recharge ngai ba mton betiap wat kita kepor ke ba ngia treka moi ki begini ki begikat kita ke electronic media lani kita ke ben idur ringi apa kita ki mobile lan kita ki TV kenya wat itu khana pos no terlei ke ba phla long akti kepor long ba kumno bengila ban yo ban kendu iki pai ba ban penbet iki meeting bat kam sim lo fail ha man lagi jaga kata ka bapla tenga ko abanong ipi hakani por kolong so gani ka juk menta ka juk badan bok tam ya ka ba piyo yo kino mi kman ki boleh hok ya ka kam ni ti por ngalalong MDC bengaro chebi lo MDC nga ti por leh char tulop tang sumud wan bro hiang la ไปในจักรยานอมดอนบะเตียงมาเลยอปันบุญเนียมเนาะชิพังออกกระบอลชิพังกินพร้อมชิพังกันเอชิพังกันไตชิพังกันสนามชิพังกันจันทร์ชิพังกันแต่ละสกุลมารถปลายแต่เรื่องนี้กันจุกบุญตากันกันจุกบุญบักยากบ่กระดอนกันจุกจีจิงไอนักเลี้ยงจุกสการนัดเทียบบ่ปัญญาดูบัตริสตมฮะโอเล็กซ์เดลฮีกันเลี้ยงมันนี่กันด้วยกันบ่แห่บ่หันบ่อุดรกันจิงเดกันเฉลขี้บ่แต่เรื่องกันบ่สอกดกลองบ่งากว่าแต่งานักเลี้ยงงากว่าบ่ubah penyiar udai ban kiu kelas nak. Dia ban kiu kelas nak. Nak kasih keluar dan kami keluar dan kami keluar ni.
The West Giant Hills District Sport Office today observed the Youth Day celebration with an awareness program. A sizable number of young people participated in the program, including lectures on drug abuse, food and nutrition and mental health. The youth celebration coincided with the birth anniversary of modern Indian thinker, reformist and humanist Dr. Swami Vivekananda. Speaking on the occasion, the District Sports Officer West Giant Hills District Kro Pasar stressed on the need of physical activities to ensure good health. Kro Pasar also encouraged the youth to take up sports as a career as it provides immense opportunities for livelihood. A representative from ICDS Skindia said, the youth should eat a balanced diet to ensure good health. She said, nutritious food should be taken according to one's age.
Activities, we take it very lightly. Hay young jua young lai le ke, kat ni sports ni tak le ke, tak lai le young ko, yo aja kat ni. Tak inum tak. Kat ni kam sports demani ki, bon ki bru, siang tu bakla ki. Ông kỳ vậy cam sports tọa lại lẹ kỳ bay kỳ pa này dùng lẹ ông kỳ cân đẻ kia kỳ thì kỳ con này hẳn bia cắn ni cái bát thai cái chút tham mê cái ni đam mani kỳ người bà bốn kỳ khăn nã kỳ đã lại kỳ đi ở kỳ kre kỳ cam hẳn cái line sports của ông kỳ cái sports quota thế sẽ vì lẹ how we lẹ kỳ sport cam sports này kỳ physical activities develop yang physical, mental, social, economic part yang jingim ke yang wong physical tak yo cek ye kia, wong mental yo jabin yo cek yo kia, social one wong ye em lang wik perlok ni bha ni le ke ye chami wik lok ni wi thau chai wi thau ye chami ye man make friends you have putih yang with the economical one kamu ada orang ni tak ada money ki kan akan ni kejuk kamu thamai
ini kamu pen telur leni jiwa pen kereka mi berkom jemut jemperkat the psychoactive drugs that are used by people by different reasons kedau hawa pen kam ya gitu drugs ikna kan ru ibon sin kat ni hawa iwan le kedau boleh ada tiak le kedau ada bam le kedau iwan le kedau henry chua di gitu drugs kedau le wo di dah ni di melum melau ada desa out of curiosity how of curiosity mut kuat kata ke jing trang ke jing kuat utip kaman ni drugs kuat utip kaman ni drugs and peer pressure especially among school children and young adults apoi pihak ni ke cukup kat ni drug abuse dia sedang dineduk di teens neduk di khat sosmed.
The Youth Day celebration was also observed in the state capital Shillong. The large number of youth with war potential attended the program. Speaking to the media, the director of Meghalaya Institute of Entrepreneurship, B. Maulong, said, the institute encourages all sections of the youth to take up their own businesses.
New businesses, young businesses, innovative, meet my, meet compare, come tam nili gitu kiba nong problem, kila bani nong solution, nang tong solution kipu kalak, ya kamu ke business venture, te haji sisa nagal ka business kam dede tanam taki khamna amni tanam taki samla kila bani gibri rang baru kila bani gibri ba trika manchwa kila song thaj ndre ka course of their career ki ui ka problem cuma menta kiran gibri lani ka problem cuma ka traffic problem kila bani ni ko kanun solution pangkata then kita dapat isu problem juga garbage, ini ke solution ta. So basically ke idea should be young, the business idea should be young. So already ke age kan jom beriu, te ke ini kini ke prime hub kan, te ke hub kita ditangkap jaka, ke prime kita ke program where we encourage kita ki business idea come to my come pelai belapan solve problem ya ke society. In all, namar ba ngijit dari diklik beriu mo. In all, kita 50 ideas, 50 top ideas. Jadi hakawai ke business idea kita lapan ki partners, kita lapan airline gut. The total number of ideas kita sanpau.
Former Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pinchngan NCM today, strongly criticized the state government for not releasing the Central Special Assistance Fund to the KHADC. Addressing a press conference, EM said that the Finance Commission has sanctioned an amount of 182 crore rupees to the 3 autonomous district councils, of which the KHADC is supposed to get an amount of 20 crore rupees.
Total amount kepada Ermak dan Finance Commission nak kata current fiscal year 2021 kada shispa papar kro bidang pelaj mentang kendai puai kro pas installment kalau mau hadin di supply yang saya shispa kendai puai kro di mentang ni sebab kendai puai kro di pelaj short kendai puai kro shispa papar kro sorry shispa papar kro di bidang pelaj kendai puai kro di nak kendai puai kro namta baru lagi council kanlong saupusan poin san phokro na kabentaga on tight saupusan poin san phokro na kabentaga tight ya kan pada ngihap ya share lang habre gilai ligi council kajongi nama ka council ka batham ya niyo khambon mangi bat ka garil kanwan sa jentilos te ka share jungi ka dilo nunu arpo kruta pi ha kajing shisha kani nakalian ka UDA baka executive committee as a whole kajing sha kala di ban tip gila di ban sim but ikani ka namara pha ya kan ni ka sithi nadu ka fabric November mendang na poi shau December January kajing sha ka executive committee kala di ban sim kai kan namara ngapan semua IKMDC juga teristop ba poi sha po Ministry of Finance bantuan ra kan ni ka bisa baga intention jungi kalau nak bentar kaji mentoi juga council ni haru mentang kam don tono kai jadi nagalang jungi dia hadin bangaktif ya kan ni ngapan sim dia nak bentar interest jungi beriu jungi apa kalau mesti.
Mukul Sangma today strongly criticized the National People's Party-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance for its lackadaisical attitude to impress on the Centre for the ILP implementation in the state. Addressing media persons at Congress Bhawan in Shillong, Dr. Sangma said that the state government is yet to wake up from deep slumber to get the ILP implemented in the state. He said the government was pulled up by the opposition in the last assembly session relating to implementation of ILP in the state.
Now, all the political parties who are part of the 60-member House, including the independents, we have adopted a unanimous resolution, which was a government resolution. And while tabling the resolution, the assurance of the government was that the state government will take upon itself the responsibility of prevailing upon the government of India to implement ILP in respect of Meghalaya. Meaning, Meghalaya will be brought under the purview of Eastern Frontier Bengal Regulation 1873. So that was the part of the assurance given to the people of the state. Any assurance in the floor of the House is an assurance for the people as a whole. And we have stood firmly together because, unlike in the past, we feel that the apprehension perceived by the people of the state and the region after the enactment of CAA is genuine, and therefore there is a necessity to have in place the provision of the said Act, in other words, implementation of ILP, to address the concern pertaining to influx and illegal immigration.
Speaking on the occasion, the All India Congress Committee members in charge of Meghalaya, Manish Chatrat, informed that today's meeting of the Congress dwelt at length to strengthen the party's organization to fight the coming assembly election. He said the Congress has worked very hard, more than any other political party, in the fight against COVID-19.
No, Congress, as I rightly mentioned, in last 10 months, the way we have worked in the state during COVID, I don't think any other political party or any other organization has worked. So Congress has been with the people in the state, very close to them, especially when they required them. As I mentioned yesterday also, our team in Meghalaya is doing a good job, and especially I congratulate our president, our both the working presidents, CLP leaders, all MLAs, frontal heads, their team members for doing a wonderful job in last 10 months during COVID. The way they have served the people of this state, it was really well appreciated, and I thank them for that. We are not approaching anybody. We are just organizing ourselves as the elections are 2 years ahead. After it is in the month in the year 2023, we are just organizing ourselves and we are not approaching anybody.
Manish Chatrat also said that the Congress is trying to keep its house intact, and those who are not happy with the Congress style of functioning have already left the party.
Individual to join or to stay in the party. As a team, as in charge of the state, my duty is to ensure that nobody leaves, and which I will try to best of my ability. And I'm quite positive people out here, those who I've met, and I know them, some of them I know since many years also in the Congress party, and they're not the ones who have to leave. Those who had to leave, they have already left. And those who are in the party are definitely going to stay in the party. I can say that only.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.